Hi again. So for this episode, I'm going to be teaching you how to use our pattern templates, how to integrate a design into our pattern templates, and then how to export it, and then upload it to our 3D product customizer tool, where you're going to be able to see your design in glorious 3D. So let's get right to it. So here from our website, printondemand.com.ph, let's say that I want to design a custom rash guard. So go ahead and head to our rash guard page, and I'm going to design a short sleeve rash guard. You'll notice here that there's a link to our Illustrator template. Go ahead and tap on that, and if you are a member to Print on Demand, this is a free download. So what you'll do is you'll add this to your cart, go ahead and check out, and then download this template to your desktop. So I already went ahead and downloaded the template to my desktop, and now what we're going to do is we are going to open that template in Adobe Illustrator. All right, I've opened the template in Adobe Illustrator, and as you can see here, there are various panels which represent different parts of the rash guard garment. So what we're going to do is I'm going to teach you how to integrate a design here, but of course, you need a design to start with. So I'm going to give you a shortcut here, give you a hint. You can browse different stock artwork websites, and you can download pre-made vector designs. Key thing here is vector. Vector means that your files will be very small in file size, and the quality will be crisp and clean. So my favorite website for this is magnific.com. So from here, I just want to show you how I would explore. I'm going to go I'm going to search vectors. And I'm going to look for jersey design. So you can see here you get a bunch of different jersey designs. Let's say I want to go with this one right here. So I'm going to go ahead and download this to my desktop. And once it's on my desktop, I'm going to unzip the file. And once it's unzipped, we're going to open this file here in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm going to head over back to Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to open my new design, which I just downloaded from Magnific. And what we're going to do is we're going to clean up the clutter here. So let's just go ahead and delete these unnecessary parts, and we're just going to go with the design itself. So go ahead and click on this little bubble here, and then press Control X. That's the cut command. And what we're going to do is we're going to open the template, and we're going to look for where we want to put it first. We want to put it, for example, here on the front. So go ahead and press Edit, and then Paste. And what you're going to see is my vector design. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a clipping mask. Okay, a clipping mask will actually embed your design into the shape of the pattern. So to do that, we're going to grab my vector design, and we're going to drag it below the panel that we want to put it into. And then we're going to select the bubble on both of them, just like so. Object, clipping mask, make. Okay, so did you see that? Instantly, our design conforms to the shape of the pattern piece. Now let's say I wanted to make it bigger or smaller. You can hold the Shift key to constrain proportions, which is going to make sure that grows or shrinks in a proportional manner. So you see that I have the design on the front panel. Now I'm going to put the design on the back panel. Go ahead and select the vector again and press Control C for copy. And then we're going to press the bubble next to back, and we're going to go Edit, Paste. Okay, so now we have the vector design, and just move it over the panel. And now this here in the layer panel, make sure that you drag it below the back piece. So once we have the design behind the back panel, go ahead and press Object, Clipping Mask, Make. And from here, you can go ahead and adjust how you please. So you can move it around if you want. Okay. Now, let's just go ahead and make this quick. I'm going to color these in with a solid color. So go ahead and choose your eyedropper tool and then select, let's say, the blue. And then I'm going to select the other sleeve. I'm going to select the eyedropper tool and make that blue as well. And the last thing I'm going to do, I'm going to eyedropper tool the yellow and give the neckband yellow color. So from here, we are done, and I'm going to save this to my desktop. The way you do it is you press save a copy, save it as a PDF. And then we're just gonna name it here, design 1. So remember, you have to save it as a PDF. That's the preferred file format because it saves it as a vector. Now I do want to mention that if you find that your PDF file goes over 10 megabytes, you're going to need to save it as a JPEG instead. Okay, so there's a file restriction. Once it gets above 10 megabytes that you have to upload, it gets a little funky. So make sure to keep your files around 10 megabytes or smaller. Otherwise, save it as JPEG. And the way to save as JPEG is File, Export, Export As, and then you can now save it as JPEG. Okay. So design 1 JPEG, for example. And then save it as a high quality. So for the next segment, we are covering Affinity. Affinity is a free tool made by Canva, and you can open the same template that was open in Illustrator, open it in Affinity. Just go ahead and press OK to the PDF options. So from here, I'm gonna basically do the exact same thing, which is I'm going to integrate my vector design into these panels. And the way to do that, so you're gonna open these, the layers and go ahead and select the layer that you want. Press Ctrl X, which is for cut. Actually, I think I wanna grab all of these layers. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna delete, pressing the delete button. So I'm deleting these logos, and let's say I want this entire design here. Go ahead and choose the main group and then press Ctrl X to cut. And then here in the new template, we're gonna open the template so we can see all the panels. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna press Ctrl V or paste, okay? Now we're gonna move this over the back panel. And to find the back panel, use the toggle visibility to turn it off. And then let's see which one is the back. Okay, this is the back. So we know that we need to put it into there. So what you do is you grab your design and then drag it right on top of the panel, and it goes instantly into the panel. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing for the back panel. Press Ctrl C, and we're gonna look for the back panel. That's the back panel, press Ctrl V. So we're gonna fill the remaining panels with a solid color. Let's go ahead and choose the eyedropper tool and select over a color that you want it to be. And then select the arrow tool, select the next panel, select your eyedropper tool again, and let's grab this blue. And then for the last neckband, we're gonna copy this one. We're gonna copy this color onto this neckband. And there we go. So from here, we're going to save it as a PDF. Go to File, Export, and then we're gonna choose PDF, and we're gonna choose for export, and just use the default options. As you can see, the file size is 1.3 megabytes. So remember, try to keep it around 10 megabytes or smaller. Otherwise, save it as a JPEG. So we'll press export, and we're gonna save this to the desktop, and I'm gonna call this one design 2. And now for the exciting part. We're going to put this design into our 3D product customizer tool. So check this out. So from here, go ahead and go back to the rash guard product page. We're gonna do the short sleeve rash guard. And go ahead and click on the customize this product button. And as you'll see, this is a plain mock-up. There's no designs on it. It's a blank canvas ready for you to put your own design. Remember, I always advise you to click the full screen button as the very first step, and then use the right mouse button on your mouse to move it down into place. Okay, from the customizer tool, go ahead and click on the graphics tab, and then make sure you open this upload from template section, okay? Now, once you're here, click on upload image, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna look for my PDF. I'm uploading the PDF right now, and in just a second, you're gonna see the design on this 3D model. So you'll just need to have a little patience. It might take up to 30 seconds for it to upload, but when it does upload, look at this. This is amazing. We have our design on a 3D model. And from here, you'll be able to take a screenshot of this 3D mockup. And in one of my future episodes, I'm going to teach you how to use AI to put this 3D mockup onto an actual model. So it looks like a model is wearing it in real life. So from here, it's up to you to customize the mockup. If you want to add text, for example, to the back, go ahead and click on Add Name and click on Add New Text. Go ahead and put your name on the back. If you want to put a number, add a number on the back. And once you see it the way that you like it, it's ready to be ordered. All you have to do is click here on Order, put in the quantity that you want to order for the size, go ahead and add to basket, and you're ready to rock and roll. Order this exact 3D mockup, and in a few weeks, you'll have it in your hand. You can wear it, you can take photos of it, put it on your website, ready for print on demand.